If I were to talk about war, you might think of like World War II or Vietnam War, but personally, I think the battle of thumbnails that happen every day, every second, click or not, is the most competitive war ever.
Sir, there's battle going on.
Wait, what? Wait, is that Duolingo?
Can we just quiet the noise?
Yes, that creepy bird was me doing this social experiment quest with my Japanese friend. But as you can see, this thumbnail build was severely nerfed with a load of debuffs. And so today, we're going to learn how to level up a thumbnail, eliminate the debuffs, and go over some OP skills S-rank players use to win the game. The first skill is Subject. This ability allows the player to notice what stands out the most and how to set up a main focus in a thumbnail. It could be a person, character, a piece of text, or even a duck. But one thing they all have in common is that the subject is the largest element, usually in the center and easily visible. In terms of the stats, the subject should be above or around 80. Lower than that may cause your subject to become invisible, either by blending in with the background or becoming too small to see. This could damage your CTR and sabotage your views. However, there are many ways to upgrade your subject to make it more clear and noticeable. But I'm gonna come back to that later, because the thing is, while most builds tend to focus on a single subject, it doesn't mean you can't play multiplayer. Having two subjects can give you a sense of development by showing the before and after. From this heavyset player who probably got nerfed during the lockdown patch, transforms into a Jack Doom guy. You can boost your RSD bonuses by adding numbers like day 20 and summon an arrow to show your in-game result. This triggers the question engine in the back of the player's mind. Oh dude, why is there a fire in the last day? Oh bro, I don't know. What's happening? Armageddon? Well, that's how you bet players into your game. Not to mention that duo subject can even serve as a setup for PvP, foreshadowing the crash between two opposing sides. In fact, it's a very common strategy and players use it to compare specs in the tech realm or to show the conflict and tension of the battle, war, lore of Minecraft, whatever you name it. I mean, even Weeaboo main use this stance to gain views. I personally want to try this playstyle, so I captured two subjects from the footage, put them together, and the result is incredibly... Man, this looks like shit! Dude, fix it, please. Well, it seems like we ran into some technical problems here. I guess we have to clean up the background, which leads us to the next skill, simplicity. A pro artist once said, the ability to simplify means to eliminate the unnecessary so that the necessary may speak. So if I ask you what are the unnecessary items in this thumbnail, what might they be? The trees, the house, the mattress, or all three of them?
It's all true.
These elements are non-essential and consume too much space in the thumbnail, especially when 70% of YouTube watch time comes from mobile devices, where players swipe through content like speedrunners with no cooldown. That's why you have to make it real simple to handle those fast finger players and catch their attention even in a limited space. But thanks to Mr. Who the Boss, now we can finally do some upgrades. I tried to one-shot the background with Canva, but not only did it fail, it also dealt decent damage to my last brain cell. So I changed to my main weapon. What a guy did that? Well, actually it took me like 2 hours because I'm dumb, but let's increase the saturation to help these colors pop and gain more attention. Sometimes we should double check the small details and eliminate all of them. I add some glow here to make it look a little bit creepy, like this Cancer Steve from Kirkstar and the virus here. But I didn't stop there, not until I slapped some yellow eyes into our big boy and balanced the build with blue glow. The main colors are blue and green, because not only do they reinforce each other, but are also associated with higher CTR. Speaking of CTR, do you guys use dark mode? Because I do, and 81.9% of the smartphone users do. So if our thumbnails are the black backgrounds and we put it in dark mode, you can totally see that they blended together, which definitely not the best strategy to help the video stand out. Ryan Trant fell into this trap as well, but he quickly recovered by changing the background to green and the shirt to white. So just to be on the safe side, preview your thumbnail first to see exactly what it will look like on the real battlefield. However, perhaps the most important aspects of... Wait, what?
Hey, will you accept my free gift?
What? I don't think... Oh, actually, I really need it. Yeah, thanks a lot. You made my day. I'm happy. Yeah, amazing.
Open it.
Oh, sure. Let me click this. Whoa. Overpower, 10 million wells. Jeez, these thumbnails are killing it. Whoa. Wait, so these are all black backgrounds? Oh, he's gone. Please subscribe. Still, it's made me wonder. If using dark backgrounds can be this effective, why doesn't it work with Ryan? So I decided to gather more thumbnails, more data, more information, more After spending those time researching, it became clear that the answer lay at the very core of every creator: the style. Style is what you want people to remember you for. It's just your identity, your brand, your voice. It's like the hump of the wheel where all the other skills just naturally spin around it. Take this channel as an example, Tiersu.
Birds have high accuracy on their pecking attacks and are often quite good at targeting their stingers.
He applies gaming and tier list concept with animals, which is pretty cool because back then we only had Nat Geo and this.
Oh my goodness.
But how does he turn these two concepts into a thumbnail? Actually, it starts with something simpler than you might think. Different fonts bring different vibes. He represents his gaming style with a pixel font, which is both unique and recognizable. Not to mention the use of the contrast color between black and white that make the subject extremely easy to spot. Wait, is this Fishtail? Another interesting factor here is the element. He used the ongoing action to make the image come into motion, like the second croc going in for the kill, as well as this fish that's also rocking that ongoing action with a bow rate streak, making it look quite OP. Small details like an arrow and a question mark help narrow the focus and increase curiosity. But what's more important is evolution. Tiersu shifted from a simple black and white silhouette to a more realistic visual. This way, the audience expectations won't be hurt. Using the real animals, not a shadowy one, also intensifying the ongoing action, letting the visuals do the talking. As the old saying goes, a picture is worth 1,000 words. Well, for Ryan, his style is kind of laid back and funny.
So I'm currently in LA. The city of angels, baby! Sorry.
So it's not about being too formal or serious, it's just Ryan being Ryan. But here comes a big question. How to get a style? If you don't have one, I recommend going out on the scout first. Capture and collect all the thumbnails that spark joy for you. Or those that make you feel like. Once your arsenal is locked and loaded, it's time to do it! Just do it! So now I just have to start working on where we left off. But there's just one tiny problem. I don't know how YouTube actually works in Japan. And why is that a problem? Well, I'm glad you asked. Because I'm making this thumbnail to help my buddy become the king of YouTube. And here's a really cool Japanese folk. On a second thought, yeah. Well, the thing is, most of the audience is Japanese, and I'm not the expert on how to be a Japanese thumbnail designer or some sort of that. So I guess the only solution is
You speak English. Right. Your English is.
And just like that, now we have complete thumbnail. But I look fucking stupid. So I'm sure no one is gonna click, right? What the f? 20,000? So in comparison, this is before and this is after. You see the subject is clear, the background is clean, and with just a glance, you can tell what the heck is going on here. こんにちは。はい、よろしくお願いします。Shut the fuck up, I'm Duolingo! You want some beef, huh? やばい、ちょっと英語わかんない。Unfortunately, its style is a little bit lacking. Actually, not by a little, but quite a lot. But hey, that's a journey, isn't it? Make mistakes, learn from them, and take some poops. That's it for me. Make sure to smash subscribe for more crazy stuff and download my free summary infographic or whatever you call these. Just link down below. And if you feel like my video is too shitty to learn anything from, here's the thumbnail masterclass playlist. Just click this and boom bang sklang. I hope it's helped. So thanks for watching. Adios. Bye.